All right, y'all, so this is the area that I'm going to be cleaning in today's video. So I think I'm going to be doing a combination of two things. I'm going to be cleaning out this space here, raking up all the leaves. You can kind of see where in my last couple of videos where I showed you guys my progress. And then I'm also going to be cleaning out this space here as well. You can kind of see how that looks. There's a lot of leaves back there. And then also my little tool shed, y'all. Lord have mercy, this little thing has seen better days. So I'm going to also be cleaning out the little area right here. So all of this and this little area here included. So this is what I'm going to be doing. But in the meantime, I also, y'all, I got so much going on, Lord. I started on this space here, and I want to go ahead and finish this area up. Just going to go ahead and rake up these leaves. And yeah, so that's what I want to definitely do, is start on this first. And once I've done that, then we're going to go ahead and start with the whole cleaning process over here. And y'all might remember in my last video where I cleaned up around the landscape around the deck. I decorated the deck, just gave it a nice little refresh. So we have to continue it, y'all. We have to finish cleaning up around the deck space. And then that way, you know, that'll be another huge project completed in the backyard area. And then after that, we can go ahead and just kind of focus on this space here. Just kind of straighten up in here, get rid of some of this stuff, clean up or whatever. So that is the plan. So let's go ahead first and finish raking up the leaves here so we can get that done, because it looks like, y'all, it looks like it wants to rain. It's so cloudy out and it's still fairly early in the day. So I definitely want to get this done before any rain comes through. So without further ado, let's get to it. So if you are visiting my channel for the first time, welcome. My name is Carolina, and it is such a great pleasure having you here. And to my existing subscribers and viewers, welcome back, you guys. So if this is your first time watching, this video is actually a continuation of several other videos where I'm winterizing my backyard space and getting everything prepped and ready to welcome spring. And one way that I'm doing this is breaking up all of the projects in the backyard and tackling each project one by one with the goal of having everything completed by the end of February. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get started on this particular space here. So one of the things I'm gonna have to do is my water fountain. You can see how it looks, y'all. It looks a mess. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna have to clean that out. Clean that out really, really well. Ooh. And just kind of make sure that it's still working. Hopefully it's still working properly. Yeah, so we're gonna see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and also just kind of finish raking up the leaves in this space here and just tidying up over here really, really nicely. So first I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of remove all of these items here. Get this stuff out the way. I'm gonna remove both of these pots, get those gone, so that way I can have easy access to raking up the leaves in this area. So let's go ahead and continue moving forward, you guys. Leave me high and dry. Baby, you get me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. So thank you guys for the comments, for sharing what the temperature is like where you're at, and whether or not if you started doing any type of yard work in your space. Because let me tell y'all, when I made this video, it was like about 75 degrees for the high. Would y'all believe it is now like in the 30s and 40s for the high? And on top of that, it's been raining all week long. So I am so glad and so thankful that I got this done while it was still nice and warm and the weather permitted, because y'all, this ain't nothing but pneumonia weather. I'm telling you, straight pneumonia weather. All right, y'all, so I want to go ahead and show you my progress so far on the landscapes, how I've cleaned it. I have to run out to Lowe's and get some leaf bags because I ran out. I normally would just grind these leaf piles up with the lawnmower, but that actually creates a bigger mess. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick these leaves up, bag them up, and be done. But let's take a look at what I've done so far. All right, so here's a look at what the space looks like at the moment. This is all the leaves that I raked up from that area. So as you can see, it's quite a bit, but got all that cleaned. And the only thing I'm gonna do now to this space is I'm gonna go ahead and remove my water fountain. I'm gonna clean that out really, really good, make sure it's still working properly, because like I showed you guys earlier, it's a mess. So we're gonna clean that out, but for the most part, we got all this raked up. I did these rock beds when I initially did the landscape in this space. I'm gonna get rid of that because once those flowers grew, you couldn't even see the rocks. So I'm gonna just probably, I don't know. I feel like I want to do something different in this space from what I did previously. And if you're new to this channel or if you're visiting for the first time, just wanted to, let me just show you what I had in this space previously. So this was, and I'll put it in the corner here, what the landscape that I did here. I don't even know if I want to do the same landscape here, but that's something that I'll think about and decide on come spring. But for right now, just wanted to definitely get this area cleaned out, which I did. I also went ahead and cleaned out this space here as well, and you can kind of see that. And this is my little drainage tube here. Got all of that cleaned out. And so yeah, that looks pretty good. I still have to clean off my little tool shed and then also clean out the landscape area that's surrounded by the bricks right here. So I'll do that space as well, and then definitely clean clean all of this out. Yeah, I know, y'all, it's a mess. It's a mess. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and run out because I don't have any leaf bags, and I'm gonna go ahead and rake up these piles of leaves, so then that way I have a nice clean space to work in. Because right now it's just too chaotic for me. I have to have these leaves gone, and then I can really, really, just move the lawn more and just, kind of tidy up over here a little bit, and then That way I can start cleaning out that area as well as the little tool house. So progress, progress, progress. I'm loving it. And then of course, you know, I have this huge, large leaf pile over here as well. So I want to try to get those bagged up, just in case if it rains, because, you know, when you got these bags of leaves piled up and it rains, it just makes everything so nasty, and it just makes everything heavy. So yeah, so that's where I'm at right now, y'all. Just wanted to show you my progress so far. Still a lot to do, still a ways to go, but progress, progress, progress. So anyway, let me go ahead and run out to the store, grab some more bags so I can pile these leaves up, bag them up, get them out the way. And then that way we're dealing with a nice clean slate in the backyard. So let's go. All right, y'all, so I'm back out here. Now this is the area that I'm going to be working on next. I've pretty much cleaned out all the leaves in both of these areas here. So I'm gonna go ahead and rake up the leaves. I'm just going to follow this edging here and just kind of take it all the way back here and rake up as much as I can. I'm probably going to, you know what, now that I think about it, I might use my blower. And these are lawnmowers that are not even working. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those things. But yeah, just kind of tidying up in this space. And I think I might just go ahead. Oh Lord, I think in the process of me tidying up this area here, y'all, I might as well go ahead and tackle this baby over here too, y'all. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But yeah, so you know what, without further ado, y'all, let's go ahead and get to it, Lord. So I think we're going to stop right here for today, and we'll pick up on Sunday where we left off. But a lot done, you guys. I got so much done, but I still got a good ways to go. But I'm so excited about the progress that I've been making so far. I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. If you did, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and we will continue this fiasco of the backyard cleanup in my next video. So until then, bye now.